2, 3. Walk through the doors of Robert Hospital. A fresh new day in the admin section zone. Walking through the corridors near AO with voice get low. Feeling so fresh in the place we've known. Yeah, we switched on computer, staring at the screens. Just a normal day living in the computer scenes. We sit, we talk, and still having fun. Question from above, why this work not done? Started finding solutions, started finding new way. Now we've got something to say. It's our daily routine, going to Santerra shop, Kaja and Kasha before we start at the top. Yeah, after 1 p.m. to Sharon's Cafe we go. One round of coffee, keeping spirits in tow. Teasing each other and the jokes never end. It's more than a job when you're working with friends. We're living for the moments in between the shift. From the morning brew to the evening lift. In the halls of admin where the laughter flows. That's where the heart of the office grows. From the tea to the sweets, yeah, we're doing it right. Working all day till the 5 light, yeah, yeah. For 30 hits and we're gathered around. How come Rakita counts? That's here we're found. Snacks on the table, tea in the pot. Here we laugh and share jokes that we got. The clock strikes 5, the shift is all done, but the day isn't over, we're still having